Today we are making special Filipino dish.
Filipino dish.
Wow.
This one is absorber.
What?
Absorber.
Absorber.
You should say it like another.
Show me the camera. So actually, I'm cooking it openly because the lid is too small.
Okay.
So maybe I don't have something.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. Today, as you can see, I'm doing something really fun and special with my friends. I'm cooking with my friends, and in this video I will be learning how to make the perfect spring rolls Filipino style, and also how to make a yummy Filipino chicken curry. My friend James, who is from the Philippines, will show us how to make the perfect spring roll step by step. And you'll see how easy and fun it can be to cook with friends. You know, moving out of your country can be a bit tough. Life can feel a little sad, and sometimes it seems like you will never be able to make friends like the ones you had back home. But you know what? We need to let reality sink in and not force ourselves to form bonds. Instead, we should learn to go out there and find our own tribe that we can vibe with. It's a long process, but trust me, life does get better.
Wow.
This one is absorber.
What?
Absorber.
Absorber.
You should say it like another.
Adobo. It's adobo.
No, it's wrong. You should say adobo.
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 And we are going to make spring rolls here, right?
Yes.
This one.
Filipino spring rolls.
Filipino.
Filipino.
And here is Miss Venus. Sexy Venus.
Shunes figure.
Shunas figure. But are you going to also put this?
Yeah, that's my special, just to combine Filipino and German culture.
Ah, culture. Okay.
Filipino food with a German twist.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah,
Okay.
but this is fun.
And then we're gonna go.
I will try your recipe at home as well.
Mm-hmm.
This is onion.
Then you have to eat. You have to eat first.
Yeah.
And if you like it, then
Yeah.
you can. But if you don't, if not, then
Then don't.
and then don't.
Yeah, but so much garlic.
Yes, because garlic is life.
Asian life.
Asian life.
Okay, and this
If you're
one
not
is
doing
just
it-
spring onions. Okay, and you have to mix everything together, yeah?
Yeah. So look at Venus did this.
Boy.
Too big.
Bottom is not me, but
The one who's gonna eat this are people, not horses.
I thought rabbit.
So we have everything. We
Yes,
need
and the
egg.
weather is also very nice. Oh my god, look at the sky.
For those people who think that we don't have real sky, you're wrong. We have real sky. We have normal.
This is egg.
Yeah.
How many do you have?
Usually one, but,
But
it's a lot. It's 800 grams
Okay.
of meat. I'm putting two.
Okay.
This is like to combine everything at once.
Okay. I'm actually very interested how this taste will turn out. I mean, with this.
Same. This is my first time. So we will all find out. We'll figure it out.
Ooh. What is this?
Pepper.
Okay. Ah.
So I'm supposed to do this, but there's no battery anymore. It's super slow. So I'm doing some shortcuts.
So you want it to be fancy, but then it's,
Yeah.
yeah.
I cannot hold it to that.
Yeah.
Shoulder roll.
Next time you come to my place and we will cook
Yeah.
Naga food. But
So-
usually, do you know, like our real Naga food, it's very stingy.
Mm-hmm.
What you did to me, summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours.
My hand with gloves,
Yes.
and mixing it all together.
Yes.
And
But I
then-
think you forgot to put salt.
No need for salt because this one is already
Ah,
salty.
okay.
So that's the magic there.
Oh, Meiji.
This
Sesame.
is sesame oil.
Sesame oil.
To yeah, so then we put generous amount of.
Mhm.
And then
You are looking like a very professional chef. Tunes ficor, voilà.
Getting sprung. We used to dance
So
the night
now
away, hang out the whole next day.
yeah, put this one like this, and then two
Two
how do you call that one?
teaspoon.
Generous. You have to like do some adjectives. and then you like gently tap it. Okay, and then and this side.
You know, I'm going to do this for the first time, so okay.
Roll it.
Wow.
That and try to be ambitious. Like you're gonna like do it perfectly, even though I know you won't. And then put your finger on the water and tap it on the side so you
Okay.
can lock it.
Just
water.
normal
Just plain
water.
water, yeah.
Yeah, without salt or sugar or
Yeah.
whatever.
And then voila.
What happened?
Yeah.
And that's it. I'm a very strict teacher here. Yeah.
Okay.
You're very generous, by the way. Like very. It should be like It should be like facing
Okay,
you or
face
like.
me.
Yeah.
Okay, then this is enough, yeah?
Yeah, and then you tap to make it like
Like a press.
like compressed. Yeah.
Can you please pass the wrapper?
Don't be scared. Just like fold it like you're folding your shirt or something. Yeah, just like compress and then push it. Yeah, perfect. Yeah.
And then I don't want to blame. That's why.
Yeah, and then you locked it. Yeah. Perfect. I'm so. Oh.
Now it's very quiet. How did you manage to stop her?
He said
Wow. It looks so yummy.
adobo,
Adobo.
Okay, so
And
there's
this is
no-
just fried rice.
fried rice, and this is lumpia.
Where did you go? Summer love, you have no
Cheers, guys.
Friendship and everything.
And best friend. And hard work. Thank you guys for helping. These are Filipino food. I hope you guys enjoy.
let you go.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed cooking with my friends. Let me know if you will be making spring rolls sometime soon. And thanks for watching once again, and I will see you in the next video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun content. Bye for now.
Dance the night away, hang out the whole